Hey, what's up guys? You're watching Tdevelops, the channel that helps you to know more about technology. In this video, I'll be reviewing the DZO9 smartwatch. The smartwatch is a relatively cheap smartwatch that costs around $10 or 4,000 naira if you're in Nigeria. I don't know if that sounds cheap to you, but at least it's at the mid-range price compared to the Apple smartwatch or the Galaxy Active series. Well, without further ado, let's get into the video.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
As you can see, the smartwatch has three faces. This is a classic face. This is like for children. This is just a babish face. It's not really that cool. And this is another classic face, but not as classic as the first one, which is this one. It has apps like phone book, web, dialer, messaging, call logs, which you can use to make phone calls and everything about your calling history. It has apps like remote notifier, remote capture, Bluetooth. Yes, it has Bluetooth because it's a Bluetooth smartwatch. The remote notifier gets messages from your smartphone. Remote capture streams images from your smartphone's camera. And as for the fitness stroke, not really fitness part, because these apps are not really accurate at all, especially the kilometer. It's very inaccurate. So if you want this smartwatch for any fitness feature, this smartwatch is not the best for you. And as for this quick response, it's a way of getting the app. You just scan this QR code on your smartphone. By the way, I've made a video on this app and how to use it. Check it out, link in the description below, or click on the card that appears above now. And it has social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter. Mine, I didn't install it, so it's not working, but I've heard people said it works if you install it and you have mobile data on it. It works. That's the browser also, which I can't use until I install it. And that's really all that is to it. So catch you in the next clip. Final thought on this smartwatch: don't buy it if you are hoping to get fitness features. And that brings an end to this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button if you haven't, to get notified whenever I upload new content, which I will now start uploading Monday, Thursday and Saturdays. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.